Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS50 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera it's not working right, it's maybe glitching or bugging or slow or lagging or anything like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is, there's a ton of settings on here and everything, and configurations, and we can change them all manually one by one. Or sometimes you just want to get a fresh start and just get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box. And this will do that for you. So all we need to do is, with the camera on, we're just going to come in and hit the menu set button to open the menu on the screen. And from there we'll just hit the setup wrench icon submenu, setup wrench icon submenu, and from there reset. It's kind of all there is to it. Once you hit that reset button, it'll take you through a couple confirmation screens. Just hit yes for each one, and that's going to wipe everything off of it. And then you can go ahead and set this camera up like a new camera.